it so cute? It's really, really different to the other two lettuces we've looked at. Look at the size and the shape of the leaves. They're all so different. But this one has got the coolest name of all the lettuce. So we've had iceberg, and we've had butterhead, and now we've this one. Okay, so the name of this, you're going to guess really easy, okay? What I want you to do, okay, everybody, stand up. Get up from where you are and stand up, okay? This is your big clue to what the name of this lettuce is, okay? Put your hands over your head and bend your knees. Stick your bums out. Yeah, stick them out really far and shake them around. Okay, you ready? We're going to do a countdown, and then we're going to do a blast off. Okay, you ready? 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! What do you think it is? No, it's not an ice cream. It's a rocket. Look, it even looks like a rocket, doesn't it? Or maybe the flame out of a rocket. Oh, what's that noise, boys and girls? Can you hear that? Oh, I think it's my phone. I thought we were going to get away with it. Hello? Hello? Yes. Boys and girls, it's